Have you ever tried this food? I bet you haven't until today. Bossam is boiled pork and spices and vegetables, usually consists of pork shoulder or thick pork belly that is thinly sliced and served. The meat is served with side dishes with various vegetables for wrap and wrap sauce called samjang and salted fermented shrimp, known as say wu jat. These are the ingredients to add spices. Let's make some dipping sauce. Say wu jat is a traditional Korean condiment made by fermenting salted shrimp. This umami-rich ingredient adds depth to the dish and has a fishy smell and strong salty taste. Many Koreans include salted fermented shrimp in their kimchi paste when making kimchi.
What?